Hi all, welcome back to C++ tutorial on Tute Fulcrum. This session is on while loop in C++. We have discussed about loops, what a loop is, the types of loops, and about the for loop in detail in the previous session. So as said, loops come into use when we need to repeatedly execute a block of statements. And during the session on for loop, we have seen that the number of iterations is known beforehand. That is, the number of times the loop body is needed to be executed is known to us. The while loop in C++ is used in situations where we do not know the exact number of iterations of loop beforehand. The loop execution is terminated on the basis of test condition. The syntax for the usage of while loop is as shown. Use the keyword while, specify the test condition. So as long as the condition is true, the body of the loop will be evaluated. Let's write a program and understand the working of while loop. To begin with, let's take an integer entity I and let's initialize the value to 3. Now let's start making use of the while loop. So while, within the parenthesis, we can provide the test expression. So in this expression, we have to test the condition. So if the condition evaluates to true, then we will execute the body of the loop and go to update expression. Otherwise, we will exit from the while loop. So let's give the condition like I greater than 0. So as long as I value holds greater than 0, the while loop will be evaluated, or the body of the while loop will be evaluated. So here within the brackets you can specify the body of the loop. Let's say we are going to print the value of I. So see out, let's say I equal to, let's print the I value. Now we need to update the expression. So after executing the loop body, this expression, that is either increment or decrements the loop variable by some value. So here we are checking whenever I is greater than 0 and the I value starts from 3. So let's decrement the value of I. So this is the update expression. So we are decrementing the I value after each iteration of the loop. So let's take a close look of how this loop is working. So initial value I is 3. Now our condition is I greater than 0. So 3 greater than 0. The condition is true. So it will evaluate the while loop. The body of the while loop, that is printing I, will be done. So here we will get I is equal to the value of I, 3 will be printed. Again, next it is updating the expression. So I is decremented. Now I becomes 2. So I is 2 now. So again it checks the condition. So 2 greater than 0. The condition is true. So it prints I is equal to 2, the value of I. Again I decrements. So I becomes 1. Checks the condition, 1 greater than 0. Condition is true. So it will print I is equal to 1. But in next iteration, I is further decremented and I becomes 0. But now the condition 0 greater than 0 doesn't give a true value. So this results in false. So once the I value is 0, this condition goes wrong. So this will exit from the for loop. So if you run this code, your output will be I equal to 3, I equal to 2 and I is equal to 1. So let's run the code and verify our output. So as expected, our output is I is equal to 3, 2 and 1. So this is how we use while loop in C++ programming. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. And please don't forget to tap the bell icon. You'll get notified whenever we upload our new videos. Thank you.